the sky is falling down.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You can see my hair. I'm so excited. I want to share my experience to make a hair like this, and I hope you enjoy my video. Let's check it out. The first thing that I need is the glue, and after that the bowl and the brush, and then semi-permanent color from Temptation Kiss. Top, I use Adore semi-permanent, and for bleaching I use Beach Baby Light. For developer bleaching I only use 20%, and also I don't forget to combine with the conditioner. The first thing that I have to do is bleaching. I use Baby Beach Light from L'Oreal. And don't coloring your hair before bleaching, because if you do without bleaching, the color is not gonna be blue. So I prefer to use this bleaching because they say this bleaching can make like a egg bleach, and the price is not too expensive, so I prefer to use this one. And don't use the high percent of the developer. I only use 20%, 20 volume I mean. It's very low, because you need to make your hair till level 10, 9, at least 7. I use for one powder, it's gonna be 2 liquid. And I recommendation this bleaching because it's good for your black hair, Asian hair. And I recommendation use 20 developer because you can use so many time for your hair. Don't forget to use like a plastic bowl. Don't use the metal. Then forget to use glue, and we start to mix the powder with the liquid. Inside of the package you can find the spoon for a measure, so you can use that one. For me, I use 2 scoops for the powder, and after that 4 scoops for the liquid developer. And before you start to apply at your hair, you have to use glue and use the brush to mix it, and makes your hair being full part, like you can see in my video, like this. Cause when the leaves start falling down. For bleaching process, I can do like a 1, 2, 3 times because I use the low bleaching. I mean the low developer. It's good for your hair, and your hair is gonna be 10 level color. And don't make very long time the bleaching in your hair. It's important. 1 week after bleaching, you can apply semi-permanent color. I prefer to use Adore Platinum and then Kiss Blue Moonlight. You can see my hair so long, so I need conditioner to mix with the permanent color. But don't use the color conditioner. You have to use the white conditioner like this. And the first step, you have to make your hair being 4 part like me. I mean 2 part like this. For me, I prefer to make like a blue in the bottom and then gray in the top. And also I combine semi-permanent color with the conditioner, white conditioner, to make sure it's enough for my hair. And after that, you can application the color with your hand. Don't forget to use the glove. And the second step, you coloring the top one with the platinum adore semi-permanent. Seems like before, you make your hair 2 part and then like this, and then for the semi-permanent you combine with the also conditioner, white conditioner, to make sure it's enough for your hair. And after that, you wait till 30 minutes before you wash your hair, and it's gonna be like this. Okay guys, see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial.